Are you ready to dip your toes into the exciting world of day trading, but think you need thousands of dollars to start? Think again. With just $100, a solid plan, and the right mindset, you can begin your journey as a day trader and work towards consistent profits. Today, we're breaking down a beginner-friendly guide on how to start day trading with just $100, including the tools, strategies, and tips you'll need to succeed. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of day trading. Before you start trading, it's essential to know what day trading is and how it works. What is day trading? Day trading involves buying and selling assets like stocks, forex, or cryptocurrency within the same day to capitalize on short-term price movements. What makes it unique? Unlike investing, day trading focuses on frequent trades and fast-paced decisions to generate profits from small price changes. Important to know. Day trading is risky, especially with a small account. Your goal should be to focus on learning and growing steadily, not hitting a jackpot overnight. Step 2. Choose the right market. With $100, you'll need to choose a market that allows for low minimum deposits and high leverage. Here are some options. Forex market. Forex brokers often allow trading with as little as $10. Offers leverage, meaning you can control larger positions with a small account. Cryptocurrency. Platforms like Binance or Coinbase allow you to start with small amounts. Crypto markets are open 24/7, providing flexibility for trading. Stocks, fractional shares. Some platforms let you trade fractional shares, enabling you to invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla with a small account. Pro tip: choose one market to focus on while you're learning. Spreading yourself too thin can lead to confusion. Step 3. Select a reliable broker. Your broker is your gateway to the market, so choosing the right one is critical. Look for low fees. Ensure your broker has low or no commissions, as fees can quickly eat into your $100 account. Leverage options. Some brokers offer leverage to amplify your buying power. User-friendly platforms. Beginners need an intuitive interface and access to educational resources. Popular brokers for beginners: for Forex, Oanda, XM; for crypto, Binance, Coinbase; for stocks, Robinhood, Webull. Pro tip: start with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Step 4. Create a trading plan. A trading plan is your blueprint for success. It includes your trading goals. Define your profit targets and risk tolerance. Time commitment. Decide when you'll trade and for how long. Risk management rules. For example, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Entry and exit strategy. Know when to buy and when to sell. Example of a plan. Trade forex pairs like EUR/USD. Use a 1-2 risk-to-reward ratio, risking 1 to make $2. Trade during the New York market session. Step 5. Learn the fundamentals of trading. Day trading requires a solid understanding of the following. Chart reading. Learn to interpret candlestick patterns and technical indicators. Indicators like moving averages and RSI are great for beginners. Market trends. Identify whether the market is trending up, down, or sideways. Risk management. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Pro tip: focus on 1 or 2 trading strategies as a beginner. Mastering a few techniques is better than spreading yourself thin. Step 6. Start small and scale up. Start with small trades. Focus on learning and minimizing losses. Compound your profits. Reinvest your gains to grow your account gradually. Keep emotions in check. Don't let greed or fear dictate your trades. Example: if you make a $5 profit on a $100 account, that's a 5% return. Celebrate small wins. They add up over time. Step 7. Use tools and technology. Leverage trading tools to enhance your performance. Charting software. Platforms like TradingView provide in-depth analysis tools. Economic calendars. Stay updated on events that could impact the market. Mobile apps. Manage trades on the go with apps provided by your broker. Pro tip: automation tools like stop loss and take profit orders can save you from emotional decision-making. Step 8. Track your performance. Keep a journal of your trades to learn from your mistakes and successes. Record details like the asset you traded, your entry and exit points, the reason for entering the trade, your profit or loss, why this matters. Reviewing your journal helps you identify patterns, refine strategies, and avoid repeating mistakes. Starting day trading with $100 may seem challenging, but with the right approach, it's absolutely possible. Question for you: which step will you focus on first? Let me know in the comments below.